Hello from Slovenia again. Today I mixed my paints with Overtroll Floetrol because I bought some Floetrol because I want to do some experiments with transparent base with Floetrol that you can use too. But I didn't manage to film the video because you have to see the dry painting if you use the transparent base to see the results, because it was my birthday yesterday. I turned 53. Oh my god. Yeah, so today I will just play with those black and white and primary colors and try to do some I will do black and white puddles, add some primary colors, do some swiping, and then marble roll it. This is my plan for today. Yeah. But I will do some transparent base. With the Floetrol in these days. Probably video will air on Wednesday. So I'm basically just adding some puddles of black and white paint. This is oxide black and titanium white. And as I said, paints are mixed with Overtroll, Floetrol. I will just tear this out a little bit just to cover this middle part. And to see if I have enough paint. Maybe I need a little more. Okie doke. So let's add a stripe of colors here. As I said, I'm using just primary colors. They will mix together with some secondary colors. So I will have some more colors after. I hope so. I don't know if this will work or not. I just want to play today. Yay! It did! Swiping just with white, so this time I will go kind of, and then I will do some marble rolls through. Oop. White on the palette knife. We'll do one more, like here. Oop. I kind of don't care about this because I will do a marble roll, and what I'm thinking is that I will just add a little drizzles of paint, those colors on there, like that. Okay, and maybe some black on the palette knife and just kind of go through some places I don't like this part here. And some white. And let's bring the marble. Okey-doke. Let's deal that now. I will kind of walk. My paints are fairly thick. Maybe I should have mixed them a little thinner. I really like what is happening. And I did leave them thicker because I was hoping that cells will hold the shape better because of that, and they did. And to the last corner. Why I didn't put my push pens in? To the middle, and I want to tilt a little bit of this off. No, because I don't want to lose that blue part. Let me think. Because I want to bring this down a little bit and I need a little something there. So I will grab one more marble and I will just try to do something in there that will not bother me as much. Okay, better. And now I will bring it back towards the middle and I will turn my canvas around that you will see. I'm probably off camera. Maybe I should have done more swipes, probably. Especially here, but if I turn it that way, oh my god, this is just a weird day today. Just dropped my cup in here. I will correct that. I kind of like it because there is more black on the bottom and then the colors there, so I will say that it's okay. And here she is, bright and happy. See, here is more black on the bottom, but I'm not mad about it. This is the place where I did just swipe with black, and I like how that turned out. And here are some beautiful colors, lacing, mixing of colors together. Get some orange, some green, some violet. Yeah, I definitely like this, but I will cover this with black because it just bothers me, but other places are okay. It was a fun experiment and I will definitely play some more with that. Molly from Molly's Artistry had some beautiful swiping. I just add the marble roll because I like the patterns and the colors that marble kind of bring up when you roll it, so I love that. Okay, so this is it for today. I will try to do another video with transparent base right after I will film this one, just to have it ready for Wednesday, that it will be dry. And thanks for watching and see you again on Wednesday. Bye!